Welcome back, eager minds. Today, we delve deep into a comprehensive set of questions designed to refine your knowledge and pave your path to success in the upcoming CSS MPT 2024 exam. What's the primary component of Mars's atmosphere? Carbon dioxide, isn't it? When continental plates collide, what type of rocks do they form? That's right, metamorphic rocks. Which celestial body plays the role of Earth's bodyguard? Indeed, it's Jupiter. Dendrology, a fascinating field, but do you know what it studies? Yes, you got it right. Trees. Now let's think about our home planet. In which direction does Earth rotate? From west to east, of course. Our human bodies are complex, but do our bones contain carbon? No, they do not. Dengue fever has an alternative name. Do you know? It's breakbone fever. In winter, what do we use to melt ice on the roads? That's right, it's salt. Granite is a popular rock, but is it a sedimentary rock? No, it's not. Which vitamin gives fruits their browning color? Vitamin C, isn't it? Let's discuss diseases. Which one is waterborne? Typhoid comes to mind. The powerhouse of the cell is... yes, the mitochondria. The gas used in the manufacture of Banaspati ghee is hydrogen, and a bronze medal is made of copper and tin. A light year is a unit of... distance, indeed. Antibiotics help us fight against what? Bacteria, of course. Remember, these topics are crucial for your CSS MPT 2024 exam. Now, let's move on to some historical figures and events. Who served as both Governor General and PM? Khawaja Nazimuddin. When was the first invasion of India by Sultan Mahmud Ghazni? It was in the year 1000 AD, and the last Hindu ruler of the subcontinent? That would be Raja Prithviraj. Do you know the official language of the Delhi Sultanate? It was Turkish. The only woman ruler in the Delhi Sultanate? Razia Sultana. Who described himself as the shadow of God? Ghiyas-ud-Din Balban. Humayun Nama was written by Gulbadan Begum, and The Life of Muhammad was penned by William Murray. Hujjatullah ul Baliga was written by Shah Wali Ullah. The first president of Congress was W.C. Banerjee, and the first foreign minister of Pakistan was Sir Zafarullah Khan. Who was convicted in the Rawalpindi conspiracy case? Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Pakistan purchased Gwadar from Oman. The Council of Common Interest approved the result of the digital census on the 5th of July, 2023. The greatest monument of Pakistan-China collaboration is the Karakoram Highway. Dasu Dam is located in KPK. The range of Shaheen-3 missile is 2,750 kilometers. Which organization is responsible for the regulation of the stock exchange in Pakistan? The SECP Pakistan's GDP growth rate during 2023 was 0.29%. I2U2 is the new grouping formed by Israel, India, USA, and UAE. The current Secretary General of SAC is Gholam Sarwar, who got the Nobel Peace Prize in 2023, Narges Mohammadi. How many countries have landed a robot on the moon? 4. The only country which has landed a robot near the South Pole of the moon? India. The Women's Football World Cup in 2023 was won by Spain. Iran and Saudi Arabia restored diplomatic relations on the 10th of March, 2023. The main reason behind the Sri Lankan economic crisis was a shortage of foreign currency. Which daughter of the Holy Prophet died last? Hazrat Fatima. A male is coffined in 3 sheets. The first biography on the life of the Holy Prophet was written by Ibn Ishaq. Details of heritage are mentioned in Surah Nisa. How many surahs start with the word kul? 5. Holy slaughtering is made during Hajj at Mina. The Holy Quran was first translated into Latin in 1143 AD. Wine was prohibited in the 4th Hijri. Grazing goats, up to which number are exempt from zakat? 39. Kitab al-Umm was written by Imam Shafi. The word jihad appears in the Holy Quran how many times? 41 times. Who were Ashabe Sufa? Muhajirs who stayed near Masjid Nabi. The real name of Hazrat Abu Bakr was Abdullah bin Uthman. The last commander of Ghazwa Mauta was Khalid bin Walid. Verses revealed in the first Wahi were 5. Ada bin Hatam Tai embraced Islam in 9th Hijri. The Holy Quran was revealed in 22 years, 5 months and 14 days. Sadaqa Eid ul-Fitr was proclaimed in the 2nd Hijri. Who holds the key to the Kaaba? Hazrat Usman bin Talha. Who was called the conqueror of Egypt? Hazrat Amr bin al-As. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your peers. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.